Hello, Dolene. Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Get ready. Get ready.
Hello, Dolene.
Good
Can you
afternoon,
hear me?
teacher.
Yes, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good.
That's really great, Dolene. What's the weather today?
It's sunny.
Very good, because right now in here in the Philippines, there is a typhoon. And there are many areas in the Philippines that are affected by the typhoon. Fortunately, Teacher AM's place is away from the typhoon, but it's raining so hard in here right now. Okay. Yeah, I felt sorry for the other people whose area are affected by the typhoon. Yes, is there a typhoon in Vietnam, Dolin?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Have you ever experienced being affected by the typhoon?
No.
Oh, very good. Me neither. I've never experienced that, but I've seen so many people affected by it, and it is heartbreaking. But anyway, today we're going to get started. Okay. Well, this is another lesson in Unit 5. This is the last lesson in Unit 5. So are you ready to start, Dolin?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now look at this one. Can you still remember the relative pronoun of where?
Yes.
Nice. When do we use the relative pronoun of where, Dolin?
When we when we um when we don't
Wha-
know where it where is where is it?
All right. So we use where to talk about a place. Okay, for example, this is a playground where we play with my friends like that. So in here, where is used to refer to places. What are examples of places? Playground, market, cinema, butchers, what else? School, hospital, mall, supermarket. Those are all places. Okay, now let's look and read Dolin.
We visit the house where our father was born.
Very good. Okay, what is the place in this sentence?
Uh house.
Very good. House is a place. So we say where. Okay. So whose house is this?
Father.
Yes, this is his or her father's house where his father was born. Okay, now I want you to look and read this word, Dolin. How do you read this?
Visit.
You say visited. Visited.
Vis-
Very
Visited.
good. Okay, now we also have here, I want to live in a place where I can see lots of animals. Okay, so even though that there is no specific place mentioned in the sentence, but saying a place is already a place. That's why we say where. Okay, just like this one. I want to travel in a place where there are few people like that. Okay, can you make a sentence using where, Dolin?
Um, I like to traveling where have many beautiful views.
Yes, where there are many beautiful views. Great, Dolin. Okay. So, Dolin, I heard you saying, I want to traveling. Okay. So instead of saying that, you can say, I want to travel.
I want to travel in a place where there are many beautiful views.
Very good, Dolin. Okay. Now let's look at this one. Let's make sure that you know how to play this game. So let's read this one. When you start the game, choosing the correct question word on each slide will enable you to move on to the next. If the wrong word is clicked on, you'll be unable to progress until you click the right answer. Oh, this is actually nice because there are choices, Dolin. So when you choose the wrong answer, it will not let you go to the next page or next item. It will allow you to choose the right answer before you can go to the next page. All right?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now this is irregular verbs challenge. Okay, now imagine you are very close to the volcano that has just erupted. So we know that when a volcano has erupted, there is lava. What is lava? This is what a lava is. It is so hot. Okay, so let's pretend that we are close to the volcano that has just erupted. Do you know what a volcano is, Dolin?
No.
Okay. So a volcano is a high mountain. Okay, a mountain where it it produces smoke in the air. Okay, then if the mountain will erupt, if this volcano will erupt, that means they will explode. It explodes lava, just like the red one in here. Then the lava from inside of the volcano is very hot. It can kill thousands of people. It can destroy trees and grass, and they will turn into ashes. So our game, okay, is all about irregular verbs. Can you still remember irregular verbs?
Yes.
Very good. Wow. So you have to be careful not to touch the floor because there is lava in the floor, on the floor. Now look at this one. Click on the word to show it in the past simple. For example, have, had. Okay, now your turn, Dolin. What about go?
Go. Went.
When. Very good. How about get?
Got.
Nice. Do.
Um. Work.
How about what that?
Work.
Okay, we have do, did. Okay, what about eat?
Ate.
Ate. How about run?
Um. I don't know.
That's the same thing, run. But different spelling. A. Okay, what about win? Win.
Winner.
Winner. All right, winner is a person. For example, I am a winner. Okay, I win the game today. If it's yesterday, I blank the game yesterday. What's the past tense of win? We have
Blank.
won. Won. What about swim?
Um,
Swim.
Swan.
Very good. Sing.
Sign.
Sang. Tell.
Toe.
Nice. Tell.
Um, I don't know.
Sold. Call.
Fell.
Very good. Feel.
Um, I don't know.
Felt. Meet. We have meet.
I don't know.
We have met. Okay, no.
Now.
Okay, we have new. Here.
Uh, Here. Listening. Listen.
Heard. Think. Think.
I don't know.
We have thought. Okay, pay.
I don't know also.
It's all right. Paid. Okay, so what are the irregular verbs in here that you know, Dolin?
Mm, went. Got.
Very good. Oh, how about this one? Like the one that we haven't opened yet.
Yes.
Okay.
Um,
We
come is came.
very good. Came. What else?
Brick is broke.
Nice.
Where was where was dress?
War.
Wore. Loose. I don't know.
We have lost.
Um, make is I don't know.
We have made. What about right?
Right. Um, draw.
We have wrote. Buy. You know this?
Boat. Boat.
Bought. Great. Drink. Drink. Drink.
I don't know.
Okay, we have drunk. How about say?
Sad.
Nice. See.
Saw.
Nice. Find.
Find.
We have
Found.
found. Nice. Bring.
Bring.
We have brought. So memorize
Brought.
all of these because they are very important. Okay. Now, this is the rule of the game. So this game will help you revise irregular verbs. What you should do, you must help an
You must
alien
help an.
Puchu. Okay, you look and read, please.
You must help an
Alien.
alien to choose the right word in the past simple and step on the right stone to avoid the lava. If you choose the wrong stone, you must go back to the beginning for the game. Everyone can join in by shouting, "The floor is lava." If that happens, everyone must make sure that they aren't touching the floor by jumping on a chair or other furniture.
Very good. So do you know how to play this game, Dolin?
Yes.
Very good. Now let's get started. Okay, this is Pucho the alien. So you're going to help her get across the lava by choosing the correct form of the verb in the past simple. So don't get a question wrong because if you do, the floor turns to lava. Then Pucho will die and turn into ashes. Because remember, the lava is very hot. Okay, now look at this one. What's the past simple form of have?
Hat.
Can you circle it?
Yes.
Very good. Wow. Okay. What about this one? What's the past simple form of go?
Went.
Nice. Okay. What's the past simple form of get?
Got.
That's right. Okay. What's the past simple form of do?
Did.
Wow. Great job. Okay. What's the past simple form of eat?
Ate.
Amazing. Oh, what's the past simple form of drink?
Drank.
Very good. Okay, what's the past simple form of run?
Ran.
Nice. Okay, what's the past simple form of win?
Won.
Which one? Can you circle? That's right, Dolin. Okay, what's the past simple form of swim?
Swam.
Wow, we're almost there. Okay, what's the past simple form of sing?
Sang.
Sang. Nice. Okay, what's the past simple form of tell?
Told.
Which one? That's right. Okay. What's the past simple form of say?
Said.
Said. Very good. Huh? What's the past simple form of sell?
Sold.
Yeah, I think I clicked the wrong path, right? Because you went back to the first one again. Okay. How about fall?
Fell.
Very good. Okay, what about feel.
Felt.
Very good, Dolin. Okay, what's the past simple form of meet?
Met.
Met. Great. What's the past simple form of no?
New.
Nice. Okay, what's the past simple form of see?
Saw.
Very good, Dolin. What's the past simple form of hear?
Heard.
That's right. What's the past simple form of think?
Thought.
Which one? That's right, Dolin. Wow, we're almost there. What's the past simple form of pay?
Paid.
Very good. What's the past simple form of come?
Came.
That's right, Dolin. One last more, I think. What's the past simple form of break?
Broke.
Which one? That's right. Okay. What's the past simple form of find?
Found.
Very good. Wow. All right. We're almost there. Okay, I think until we cross this one. Okay, what's the past simple form of where?
No.
Oh, you give it a try. If you choose the wrong answer, you have to go back from the start. So which do you think? Think. Where? I wear a dress yesterday. I wear a dress today. I blank a dress.
Where?
Yes. Are you sure about that, Dolin?
Yes.
Try again. One more try. Oh, let's see. Da-da-da-dang, da-dang. Oh, no. Oh. The floor is lava. Okay, where? This one. Oh no. So what's the answer? We have war.
War.
Like that. Okay. Now what's the past simple form of lose?
Lost.
That's right. What's the past simple form of make?
Made.
Very good. Okay. What's the past simple form of write?
Wrote.
Very good. What's the past simple form of buy?
Bought.
That's right, Dolin. What's the past simple form of bring?
Brought.
Very good. Wow. Thank you so much for helping, Pucho. You've got 29 out of 30. Well done, Dolin. You've got one big star for that. Okay, so now Pucho is safe. Okay, now let's look and write the irregular verbs in here and some regular verbs. Now look, read together with your answer. There's one example. This is the balcony where Daisy had breakfast. What about number two, Dolin?
This is the sports century where she play tennis.
Very good. Okay, what about number three?
This is the town where she go shopping.
Okay, great. What's the past tense? of each verbs in here, Dolin. So we have play, played. What about number 3, go?
Goat.
Try again, Dolin. What the past tense of
Went.
go? Went. Very good. How about number 4?
This the cinema where she watched 3 films.
Very good. How about number 5?
This the room where she sleep at night.
Great. What's the past tense of sleep?
Rest.
Rest. Okay, rest, rested. What about sleep? Try again.
Slept.
Slept. Nice, Dolin. How about number 6?
This the swimming pool where she swim every day.
Great job. What is the past tense of swim?
Swim.
Swam. Yay, Dolin. Great job. For that one, I'm going to give you this. Great job. Okay, now let's look at this one. Now, write the number and complete the sentences. Ah, so no need to write the number instead. Just complete the sentences together with the correct place. Okay, number 1, this is a place where people swim. It is called a swimming pool. How about number 2, Dolin?
The room where you sleep is called a bedroom.
Mm, very good. How about number 3?
A place where people watch films is called a cinema.
Nice. What about number 4?
The big shop where you buy food is called a market.
Great job. Okay, how about number 5?
A place where you can do lots of sport is called sports place.
What is sports? What is that sports place? We have sport.
Tennis.
Okay, sports center. Okay, I want you to say center.
Center.
Very good. Okay, great job for this one, Dolin. Okay, so Dolin, let's play a game. You listen and tell me the name of the place. This is a place where we buy bread and cake.
Is
What?
the bakery.
Yes, very good. I want you to say bakery.
Bakery.
Very good, Dolin. This is a place where we go when we are very sick.
Hospital.
Very good. This is a place where we go to learn.
School.
That's right. This is a place where we go to play hide and seek.
Playground.
Wow, very good. This is a place where we can build a sand castle.
Beach. Beach.
This is
Beach.
beach. Well done, Dolin. Wow. Okay. Now, what did you learn, Dolin?
I learned I learned about I learned about uh I learned about past simple.
Very good. And of course, the irregular forms of the verb. Okay, and don't forget about them, Dolin. So today, Dolin, you've got one big star, one great job, and one biscuit. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something. Bye, Dolin.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye.